Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: engine version, platform SDK, and a backup project. Once done, download the correct SDK build for Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS because mismatches cause build failures. Make sure to close Unreal Editor and any CI jobs. You will replace or add SDK files safely. Then open your project folder and locate the plugins or third-party directory where SDKs normally live. This step ensures you avoid lost work and keeps version control clean before any changes. Now integrate the SDK into the project. First, copy headers, libs, and binaries into the correct folder: project/plugins for plugin-style SDKs, or engine/source/third-party for engine-level libs, because file location affects the build system. Next, modify build. CS and target files to add include paths and link libraries. This tells Unreal Build Tool how to compile. Then, update. Upreject or default engine. Enable with SDK-specific settings, API keys, or enable flags so the engine can initialize the SDK at runtime. Finally, regenerate project files and build the project. Use your IDE or run Unreal Build Tool to compile so link errors surface quickly. Once compiled, launch in the editor and exercise SDK-dependent features, then produce a dev package to confirm runtime behavior. If something breaks, diagnose by inspecting compile/link errors and runtime logs. Common issues are wrong include paths, missing libs, or architecture mismatch like ARM versus x64. If problems persist, enable verbose build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.